We're going to go visit this historical marker here, which is the grave of the 1872 earthquake victims. In 1872, there was a big earthquake here in the Owens Valley that killed quite a few people. So we're just going to go up to the marker and check it out. So a little stop along the way on Highway 395. There's 395 right down there. You park right next to it. And let's go up here. Check it out. There's a little gravesite right there. Don't know what that one was for. And see David walking up there. So it's a little quick video for you guys. There's a marker where David's at. There it is, the disaster of 1872. On the date of March 26, 1872, an earthquake of major proportions shook the Owens Valley and nearly destroyed the town of Lone Pine. 27 people were killed. In addition to the single burials, 16 of the victims were interred in a common grave enclosed behind this fence. So that would be right here. So those victims were buried right through here. See it going down. That's it. The 1872 earthquake memorial for these victims here. There's a little plaque that the Lions Club put up in '88, which was 116 years ago from when the earthquake happened. It was an 8.3 earthquake. So once again, there's that common grave for the 16 victims.